Introducing the iRobot Roomba 560 vacuum cleaning robot. The latest in a line of robots designed to help you maintain cleaner floors. Roomba cleans routinely so you don't have to. In your busy home, floors get dirty every day. Now with the push of a button, iRobot Roomba helps you stay ahead of the mess by cleaning more frequently. Roomba's patented 3-stage cleaning system features a powerful vacuum and 2 counter-rotating brushes. This revolutionary system reaches deep into your carpet to remove an amazing amount of dirt, dust, and pet hair. And unlike an ordinary upright, Roomba cleans the whole floor, under and around furniture and other hard-to-reach areas. It even detects dirtier areas and spends more time cleaning those spots. Its spinning side brush and wall following technology let Roomba clean along wall edges and reach deep into corners. Roomba automatically adjusts its cleaning head to effectively clean both carpets and hard floors. Roomba senses and avoids stairs and won't get stuck on cords or carpet tassels, so you can feel safe letting Roomba clean when you're not around. Roomba 560 features onboard scheduling, so you can tell Roomba to vacuum when it's most convenient, whether you're at home or on the go. Roomba 560 also comes with 2 virtual wall lighthouses that keep Roomba cleaning one room, then guide it to the next so you can be sure that each room is fully clean. At the end of each cleaning cycle, or when its battery is running low, Roomba automatically returns to its home base to dock and recharge for the next cleaning. It'll be ready to go the next time you tell it to vacuum. Your floors get dirty every day. Occasional cleanings with ordinary uprights don't keep up with the mess. Roomba cleans routinely, so you don't have to.